Hey, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting update from the U.S. Space Force that's set to revolutionize how they command and control military satellites. Buckle up as we dive into the Rapid Resilient Command and Control Program, or R2C2. The U.S. Space Force is taking a groundbreaking step towards modernizing its satellite ground systems with the R2C2 program. This initiative, which started over a year ago, has recently made headlines with a major announcement. The Space Force has selected 20 companies for an indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity (IDIQ) contract valued at a whopping $1 billion over 5 years. These vendors will compete to provide the cutting-edge software tools and systems needed to bring the military's satellite ground infrastructure into the 21st century. So why is R2C2 such a big deal? Previous efforts to revamp ground systems, like the Enterprise Ground Systems (EGS) initiative in 2018 and the Ground Command, Control and Communications (GC3) program in 2020, faced significant hurdles. They relied too heavily on traditional prime contractors and legacy architectures, which proved to be cumbersome and overly ambitious. R2C2, however, is taking a different approach. By tapping into commercial vendors and leveraging cloud computing, this program aims to deliver more flexible, agile, and software-driven capabilities. This incremental approach is designed to avoid the pitfalls of the past and ensure rapid, resilient command and control for military satellites. The program is spearheaded by the Space Rapid Capabilities Office, Space RCO, and is focused on providing military operators with the tools they need to reposition satellites, refuel on-orbit assets, and respond to threats. Imagine being able to maneuver satellites or reroute networks during a conflict. That's the kind of capability R2C2 is striving to achieve. Michael Ehrlich, Executive Vice President of Frontier Technology Inc., FTI, one of the 20 companies selected for the IDIQ contract, shared some insights. He explained that instead of trying to create a common platform, R2C2 is developing a cloud-based, software-enabled ground infrastructure. This approach offers much more flexibility and resilience. FTI, which was previously a contractor for the EGS program, is now building on those elements, but with a fresh perspective to establish a unified command and control system. One of the key goals of R2C2 is to enhance cybersecurity. In legacy ground systems, cybersecurity was often an afterthought. But in R2C2, the cyber component is woven into the very DNA of the program. This ensures that ground operators can rapidly respond to attacks, jamming, cyber intrusions, and other disruptions that could cripple satellite networks. The ability to dynamically retask assets is a new capability that the Space Force is keenly pursuing. This means that in the event of a conflict, operators will have the agility and tools needed to take swift and decisive action. So what does this mean for the future of space defense? With R2C2, the U.S. Space Force is poised to achieve unparalleled resiliency and operational capability in commanding and controlling its satellite assets. This modernization effort is a critical step towards ensuring that the U.S. remains at the forefront of space technology and defense. That's all for today's update on the U.S. Space Force's R2C2 program. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay notified of all our latest space news and updates. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.